Welcome to South Seminole Academy, home of the Hurricanes, where our students storm. We strive to be successful, we take responsibility, we opt to lead, we respect others, and make good choices. I'm Dr. Coleman, and honored to begin my 10th year as your principal. It's a pleasure to welcome you to our second virtual open house this evening. Through this interactive platform, you will have an opportunity to meet your child's teachers, find out what your child will learn over the course of the year, and understand the teacher's academic expectations so that we can work together to help your child succeed. At SSA, our mission is simply empowering students to lead. We are committed to academic excellence by providing opportunities that motivate and engage every student. Positive relationships are the key to student success. This year, our school's theme is Stay Liquid, which simply means being flexible, willing, and able to adjust on the fly based on what the situation calls for. The past year and a half has taught us many lessons in resiliency and change. These two simple words help us not only visualize, but embrace the growth that flexibility allows. And we are ready to forge ahead through school year 21-22. Please consider getting involved by joining our School Advisory Committee, SAC, or PTSA, or becoming a volunteer. As the proud principal, I thank you for your support and look forward to working collaboratively with all stakeholders. Enjoy your evening and don't forget to storm.